Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. Summer is here, it's hot outside and I want a drink. So we're going to make the most simple and super delicious cocktail there is, a mojito. It's going to be a slight twist on a classic, but delicious nonetheless. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1/2 of a lime, which I've cut up into 4 pieces, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. You can also use white or brown sugar, it's more of a personal preference. A small handful of mint leaves, I'd say about 10 leaves if you really want to count them. Of course, rum. I'm going to use spiced brown rum. You can use whatever your rum you like. The most common version of the mojito is with white rum. Some sparkling water and finally, some ice cubes. If you have crushed ice lying around, just use that. But I'm going to take some ice cubes and I'm going to crush them the old-fashioned way. Let's do this! So let's get started with the drink. Take the glass in which you're going to make the drink. You can either use a mason jar or plain tumbler glass. I find these a bit prettier, so I'm going to use that. Take your limes and put them in. Then comes the mint. You can always give it a little slap, a little good clap to release the oils added in there. Top it off with the sugar. Now take a muddler, but since we can't find ours, I'm going to use a whisk. Little shout out to Jamie Oliver, who also used the whisk for his mojito. Basically any blunt object will do. And mash everything up. Give it a good couple of mashes so that the juices of the lime are released. Don't go too crazy and break all of your mint leaves and stuff. There we go. Take 5 centiliters of your rum and add it in there. Now set your drink aside, because we're going to make crushed ice. If you do have crushed ice lying around, just skip this step of course. Take a kitchen towel and put your ice cubes in the middle. Pack everything up. Now find the heaviest object in your kitchen to use, or just the back of a knife, and smash those ice cubes. There we go. If you can go smaller, just go for it, but I think it's fine for me. Set the ice aside, take your drink and put a good amount of ice in there. You can fill it up almost to the brim. Then take your sparkling water and top it off with a quite good amount. There we go. Take a spoon and give it a good stir. And there you go! I filled it up with some more ice, put a nice twig of mint on it, and there you go, your mojito is done.
Time for a test! Cheers! I love mojito! This really is one of my favorite summer drinks, summer cocktails. It brings me in the party mood and it transports me to a tropical island. That's why I love it.
Sounds like a mojito commercial.
It's just really good. Shut up.
Sponsored by Mojito.
So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.